Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
To make some cookies with my easy bake oven. It's right here. And I got everything I need. I got everything, and I need a pen to write down like I need to put in the cookies.
Okay, we have a piece of paper. She wrote her name. We have a strawberry cake mix. We took it out. Let's see how to make it. You will need your mixing bowl, your spoon or your spatula,
And a pencil, and a book.
measuring spoons,
And pen,
let's see.
and this.
Oh, let's see, there's a red velvet, there's a strawberry cake mix, this is pink and red heart confetti that you can put on top of the cake.
I want this one.
This is the pink frosting, and
Yeah.
this is vanilla frosting. So do you want the strawberry or the red velvet cake mix?
I want this one and that one.
Strawberry, okay.
No, what's the other one?
This one is red velvet, and this is the vanilla frosting.
I want that too.
No, you can only have the one frosting.
I want this.
You want that one?
Which
Okay.
frosting I think?
You have pink frosting. Okay, the pink frosting looks just like that.
Okay.
And these are the hearts that'll go on top. Show them your new apron.
And this is the apron that came. It says easy.
It says Girl Zone. Woohoo! She has her recipe book.
It's called the Easy Bake Oven. It's right here. And you're supposed to do this. And you're supposed to slide that in.
We have to plug in the Easy Bake Oven.
Mhm.
Don't touch it because it'll be extremely hot, okay?
Okay.
You won't make your egg now.
La, la, la. Mix, mix,
Okay, so we're going to turn it on.
And this ingredient. This
Here's the on
ingredient. And this ingredient.
The light's on. Okay, now we'll figure out what we have to do. We'll put your recipe book off to the side with your pen. Okay, the first step, make the red velvet cake
Velvet and the cake.
right here. Pour 1 red velvet cake mix in 4 teaspoons of water. So you want me to open that and then you can pour it in.
Some water.
Yeah, now we'll get you some water.
Not get water. We need it for that.
Okay, pour it in your bowl.
Ooh. La 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 la. That
Wow.
doesn't look like bread.
Yeah,
That's
look
like
at that. Okay, let me get some water.
It smells pretty good.
Doesn't
It
it?
smells like chocolate. super fast. And you get a teaspoon for it.
Right there. Do it 4 times.
1. Ooh.
2.
2. 3. 4.
Now mix.
Okay.
You gotta stir it until it's smooth.
Like that one is.
Yeah, that's the red velvet.
Mix, mix, mix. I'm done. Mix
You
it.
gotta get the sides and everything. That's why you use this after. Oh, that good?
Yeah. Pretty good.
Yeah, look.
And it's
Break it down.
tasting good so far.
I know. Look at how delicious that looks. Look at that. Now let's see the next step. Spoon the batter into the baking pan. Hey! Spread evenly.
And I just slide it because it looks so good.
Okay,
And
we
it's
have to
yummy
spray
so
the
far.
baking pan. Okay, so let's go over the sink and I will spray it because then you got to take the cake mix and pour it on here, okay?
Ooh, that sounds fun.
Hey, don't eat that batter. We won't have no cake to cook. Okay, let's
Well,
take
I'm
it.
licking the spatula.
Yeah, well, we need the spatula. Oh, that was a big gulp. You little sneaker.
Can I
Okay,
lick the spatula after?
yeah, spread this. Okay, spread it over.
Right.
Okay, hold it.
Wait. Now. This is fun, Max.
Isn't it? Want me to help you?
Wait a minute. Spread. Spread.
Wait, like this.
Ooh.
I'll show you like this. Take it. Just
Alright.
like that,
Okay.
okay? Because the cake has to cook.
Here's your cake.
Thanks. Awesome. Here, let me spread right here. I'll get that for you. You got any cake mix on your fingers?
No.
Oh my goodness, you're gonna lick everything, huh? Are you gonna eat this cake when it's done? I know. Okay, let me leave that there for a minute. Let me wash my hand.
Hey,
What?
where's that spatula?
I took the batter off of it.
Oh, nice.
Okay, let me see this for a minute. Where's the box?
I steal some of that frosting. Preheat easy bake oven for 20 minutes. And this pen right here, you see. So this was for Christmas, and I didn't want a pen like this, but it's so cute, and I really loved it.
Let me twist it on.
No. Where's that hat for?
Okay, let's put your
Hat.
cake in the oven.
And it's a pen. I will show you. It actually looks like on a piece of up. So it's a pen. And that's what I know about this pen.
Okay. Let's put your cake in the oven. You want to pick it up and put it right here?
Yes.
Okay.
Gentle. Gentle.
You push it with this. Wait a minute. That's it. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. So let's take the cake out of the oven. I'll take it out because it's hot.
These two.
Oh, I got it. What do you want?
Wow, right here.
So
Okay, now let's,
put the frosting on. And that's
here's
how
the
it
red velvet cake that Mia made. We gotta let it cool.
Wait,
and-
let's decorate it first.
Now we're gonna make the frosting as we cool the cake. So I'm gonna shut off the Easy Bake Oven.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go back over here. Wait a minute. We gotta get your bowl.
My
1 teaspoon of frosting mix. Let's get your bowl. Is it put back? No.
Here's frosting. Now put the sprinkles back where they belong. Yeah. Why? I'm squeezing the frosting.
Okay.
I'm squeezing the frosting. It's so fun.
Okay, here's her bowl.
And this is like the pink frosting, and when I squeeze it, it's so squishy.
Okay, let me put it in your bowl.
And it's so fun.
We need
And
1
this
1/4
pink
teaspoons
bowl.
of water. You want to pour it in?
Whoa, that's not frosting.
It's not frosting yet.
We need to mix it.
Okay, wait a minute.
Mhm.
We need 1 1/4. Here's 1.
Ooh. Next one. I'm gonna do the next one.
Four. Now mix that. Mix it real good. Okay, it's got to be blended really good.
It's starting.
Let me get you. That's a lot mixing it, huh?
It's so fun.
Okay, let's scrape the sides so you can mix that all in. There.
That's
Wow.
too awesome.
Yes, that's going to be delicious.
It smells super good. So good.
Okay, let's leave this. Okay, let's put the cake in the refrigerator so it cools quicker, okay?
Okay, because it'll be bowling just like this.
I know it will be. But this came out beautiful.
And we all made the pink frosting, and look how
Yeah.
cute it is. That's how cute it is.
Okay, we will let that cool. We're done with the oven. So you want to unplug it so nobody gets hurt. Now you can put your frosting on. The cake has cooled.
And if you do it like in your freezer, it cools down faster. And you see, now I put plastic on.
You want to try this?
Yeah.
Okay. It might work faster. Okay.
All right.
Here, let me get this out.
One.
Here, I'll I'll do this for you, and this will make it easier for you. And then you can just spread it.
Spread.
Look at all that.
Spreading it out.
Wow.
We are spreading.
Go easy with it. Use the tip. So you use the tip just like that.
Okay.
Just spread it.
Tip,
Look at how beautiful.
tippity tap, tippity tap.
It's delicious, isn't it?
Mm.
Okay.
La, 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 la. Make a cake, Papa?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Okay, now we'll
Good
put some
job.
decorations on it.
I'm just gonna go get those.
Okay, just a little bit because we got to save it for the other cake. So here, I will put some here. There. How's that? And then we will show everybody your beautiful red velvet cake. Excellent job.
Thank you.
That's delicious, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you got some more. I know. Here's a little paper towel. Look at that, how gorgeous. And you did that all by yourself. Oh my good, show the camera.
And this right here is my cake that I made. Do you like it? See you next video. Bye.
Say, it's so delicious.
It's so delicious. Follow me on YouTube. Bye. See you next video.